Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the iPhone 7 for iCloud creation. Open Settings and confirm your device is updated to the latest available iOS. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, join a reliable Wi-Fi network and connect to power so the setup doesn't fail mid-process. Now, tap Sign into your iPhone or create Apple ID. You need your email and a secure password. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled when asked, because it secures the account and is required for full iCloud functionality. You'll now create the Apple ID that becomes your iCloud identity. In Settings, select Create New Apple ID and carefully enter your name and birth date to avoid later recovery issues. Next, choose Use your current email or get a free iCloud email, then set a strong password and security questions. This prevents unauthorized access. After submitting, check your email and enter the verification code on the iPhone. When prompted, toggle on iCloud Drive, Photos, Contacts, and iCloud Backup so your data syncs and is protected automatically. You finish by confirming backups and syncing. Open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud, and run Backup Now to create the first safe restore point. Make sure you sign into the same Apple ID on your Mac or iPad so contacts, photos, and notes appear across devices. This validates that iCloud is active. If something goes wrong, check the iPhone's date and time, ensure Wi-Fi is working, and if verification codes don't arrive, reset the Apple ID password. These steps resolve most setup failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.